Morning. Today I've come with the wife and we're at the Wolsely Centre. I came the other week with Roger and we managed to get some good shots, but I was telling my wife about it and she wanted to come and see it, so we've had another drive up, spend a couple of hours here today. We've had a quick glimpse of the kingfisher and I've took a couple of shots, but I don't think they're as good as what I originally got last week. But we're gonna have a walk around and we'll come back and have another look in a bit. So I've come back over to this little kind of pontoon thing, and in the middle there's like a box, and that's where the terns are nesting. So the terns are flying around here catching fish, so I'm getting some decent shots here. So all I've really took photos of today, and all I really took photos of the other day when I came with Roger. I've had a little bit of a walk round down by the river, and a kingfisher flew about 5 foot in front of me, but across like the grass rather than the river, which I thought was strange. I've had a walk round, and there's not a lot else here apart from ducks, mallards, geese and the tern. So I'll probably spend about another half hour and then go and have a quick look for the kingfisher again, and then probably head back home. on Monday when we came, we went over to Blythefield Reservoir, and there was a tern over there, and we was getting some decent shots because it was kind of coming down the side of the reservoir. So we got some shots then, which turned out quite good because we was quite close. So that's it. Not too good today. I got about 4 shots I think that I really like, of a coot and a dunnock, and a couple more of the tern, but not as active as it was the other day. So I'm guessing I've showed you the photos. Thanks for watching. Until next time.